Hello viewers, welcome to EduAid classroom. So half yearly প্ৰশ্ন কাকতসমূহ আমি আলোচনা কৰি আছিলো. So তাতে আজি আমি পালো নলবাৰী ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টৰ ইংলিছৰ পেপাৰখন. So তাত নলবাৰী ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত আমি পেপাৰখনত কেনেকুৱা প্ৰশ্ননো আহিছে, নতুন প্যাটাৰ্ন আমি কি কি কোৱেশ্চনছ পাইছো আৰু যিসকলৰ পৰীক্ষা আহিবলগীয়া আছে তেওঁলোকেনো এইখন পেপাৰৰ পৰা কি এটা শিকনি পাব পাৰে তাৰে এটা সৰু আলোচনা আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত. So let's begin. So নলবাৰী ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত যদি আমি দেখা পাওঁ যে প্ৰশ্নৰ প্ৰথম জানাই তোমালোকে MCQত আহে তো তাত যেটো প্ৰথম কেইটামান প্ৰশ্ন আমি দেখা পাইছো টেক্সচুৱেল কোৱেশ্চনে দিছে which adventurous activities can tourists enjoy একদম টেক্সচুৱেল বুলি ক'ব পাৰো যে কিতাপত থকা এলিমিনেশন কৰিলে আহি যায়. সো ট্ৰেকিং, ৰিভাৰ ৰাফটিং, ৰক ক্লাইম্বিং শুড বি দা আনসাৰ. স্টুডেন্ট এজনৰ পৰা লোৱা হয় প্ৰশ্ন কাকতখন, গতিকে টিক মাৰ্ক দুই এটা কৰবাত ভুল থাকিব পাৰে, নিজৰ বিচাৰ বুদ্ধিৰে তোমালোকে এটো জাজ কৰিবা. So how would you interpret ভাল question এটা দিছে মোৰ বোধহয় question number 2 is a very nice question here. How would you interpret Mandela's transformation from a law abiding citizen to an outlaw? কি দৰে তুমি তাক আলোচনা কৰিবা যে আইন কানুন মানা এজন মানুহ কেনেকে এটা আইন অমান্য কৰা মানুহ হিচাপে পৰিণত হৈ গল, কাৰণ তেওঁ কি কৰিব লগা হৈছিল, he had to break unfair laws to fight for justice. Yes, nice. বাকি কিটা হ'ব নোৱাৰে. That's a nice question. I think it অকনমান uncommon question এটা আমি পাইছো. Why did Horace Denby trust the young lady at short of her grant? Obvious, কারণ তেওঁ নিজকে owner's wife বুলি কৈছিলে. So that's the best way out. Do you have some books on astrology? Do you have any books দিয়া আছে? So we'll go with this. So then he jumped off the bus while it was moving. আছে নে অপশনত? আছে. তো এইবিলাক ধৰা ইজি ধৰণৰ টেন্সৰ প্ৰশ্ন পাইছো. The Brahmaputra had changed its course. খুটি ধাৰা যেটো কোৱা হয় নদী নহয়. তো assertion reasoner question. Kurgis are allowed to carry guns without license. হয় firearms, guns can be. Kurgis have martial tradition reflecting their bravery. So দুইটাই শুদ্ধ হ'ব. So that should be the answer. Why does the author choose? ভাল question এটা দিছে, আকৌ এটা competency based levelৰ question যে কিয় কেলে. Why does the author choose to portray Oswald as a sloppy, overweight man rather than a traditional spy? কারণ তেও বুজাব খুজিছিল যে appearance can be deceptive. Very good, nice question, Nolbari. The irony in the story A Letter to God is that etu to baru bahut bar ami dekha palu, the help Lencho received came from humans, not from God. Etue best option, karon Lenchoy manukhinik distrust korile, bhagabanok beshi trust teor asil. Our principal is a man of few words. Etu koa hoy eta phrase, man of few words. That's the answer. Why does Mandela say freedom is indivisible? Bhal eta line nohoy, freedom is indivisible koisil kelei karon because everyone should enjoy freedom together should be the best pick. The land of rolling hills is inhabited by proud race of martial. Kitabot thokai question, martial or meaning related to war should be the best pick here. Moving on. We should never tell a lie. Verb form should দিয়া আছে, shouldৰ পিছত ভাৰ্বৰ কোনো বেলেগ ফৰ্ম নহব, মানে V1 ফৰ্মতে আমি যাব লাগিব. একচুয়াল এটা ভাল কোৱেশ্চন আকো ক'ব পাৰো, জানা চাগে এটো সবে. Why does the poet in the poem Tiger in the Zoo show the tiger in both cage? এটো তুলনা কৰিব কাৰণে difference between captivity and freedom. Yes, ভাল প্ৰশ্ন. Amanda is always instructed for small things by her parents. True. Amanda happily listens. No, she doesn't listen to it. মানে যদিও শুনে মানে ignore কৰাৰ দৰে তেওঁৰ আছিল. So second is false. Yeah, we'll go for that. Why did Oswald create the story of the balcony? To fool Max and save himself. That's the way out. বাকি কিটা হ'ব নোৱাৰে. Lencho wrote a letter to God asking for money. Hoy, he had deep faith that God helps people in trouble. Both are correct, should be. Avalen etu kitabot thokai question tomar dhori loa etu ekar question jawabaro disil Nolbari enuka question eta milabo disil. I think jodi tumalokor monot ase match the following ot asil eibar dise a violent tropical storm whose center is a cloud in the shape of a funnel is a tornado. Gale eta wind hoy, typhoon ek thoronor mane storm type ko paru, cyclone, dhumuha, these are different categories. Kitabot dia ase ebilak thoronor question o ami sabo lagibo, karon second question to dise dhora it's all about the text before the story যেটো আমি পাও যে কিমানটা সিট ANC African National Congress Party পাইছিলে 252 কিতাবত থকায় ফ্যাকচুয়াল কোশ্চেন এটা. Move on to the next. The pick out the এইটো এটা বঢ়িয়া question দিছে is a CBSE sample paper থকা question এটা. Pick out the correct uses of the word historic. ইয়াতে historic মানে কি বুজাইছে? এটা memorable event type. নহয় জানো historic occasion. মানে নেলসন মেন্ডেলাৰ পৰা এইটো দিছে আসলতে ইয়াতে দি দিলে ভাল আছিল. The museum displayed many historic artifacts. নহয় Signing of the peace treaty was a historic moment. A2 best pick hobo lage based on the understanding. He is writing a novel about historic fiction that may not be on best pick amilom. She loves historic novels, so rather than this, we should go with A2 eta occasional kotha koise option B2 amar bodhore khuddho hobo lage. Tumaloke ekbar sai loba ei question to bhal question eta dise. Which literary device, again poetic device or questions are very common nowadays. On বহুতবাৰ এইটোৱে দিছে সবে pads of velvet is a metaphor compare কৰিছে নহয় pads of velvet ৰ লগত he must run fast he will miss the train the correct combination of these two sentences is he must run fast though he will know he must run fast or he will miss the train he must run fast yet he will হ'ব নোৱাৰে and he will miss the train he must run fast or he will miss the train he must run fast though he will হ'ব নোৱাৰে he will it has to be this eto konman bhul korise amar chhatro ba chhatri jone why did Horace Dunby though a thief have a reputation of being honest rob banks nohoy paid his debts in time nohoy kind and helpful nohoy it has to be this one to ekane te honest type or eta category dise in South Africa a man who tried to fulfill is inevitably ripped off from his family and so on forced to live a twilight existence or ki korbo dise meaning so it's like a life of kind of secrecy and twilight. The meaning of the underlined word is center of racial nohoy, the sign of human feeling nohoy, beautiful coming together. It has to be a half secret life. C is the option we have to mark over here. Fowler was disappointed when he first made Oswald appearance or Asile very fat and ordinary looking kind of the answer. Nice. A question of trust is suitable title. Of course, Horace trusted the wrong person which ultimately lead to his downfall. Very good, correct. It has to be bhal question dise eitu eta aru eta ami bhal question paisu related to title Amanda is accused of being moody she doesn't answer back but escapes into her imaginary world both are a kind of she doesn't answer back ei karone taik moody buli koise nohoy ei karone taik moody buli koa nai so we have to go with Amanda is accused of moody a and r is not the correct explanation it has to be the answer good I have some duties I must perform them etu khub bhal question paisu ami nalbari okonman dharon tu tumaloke maintain koriba yat ki koisile khali join koribo dia nai koise using an infinitive mane ki hoy so ami kisuman class bilakot koi thaku ebilak kotha grammar or jibilak amar videos ase infinitive mane to lagabo lagibo tumi eneke monot rakha as of now to thakibo lagibo in that structure so to thoka kiba ase niki I have some duties to perform so tour pisot verb or first form that has to be the infinitive form here baki kitat infinitive nai bhal question dise etu kintu nohobo ekbar check koriba tomaloke kuntu mark korisa aru eta bhal question dise which word of the following words describe lencho the best sum up kuntu shobdo yate kore yate selfish to of course teo nohoy greedy ami kobo noaru now duta option amar chhatro ba chhatri jone yate ungrateful tik korise but ungrateful question to kyo mur bodhore yate nahibo karon lencho to najane ki muk kune help korise bhagobane he help korise boli bhabi asil to teor olopman innocence to dekha goise very pure very simple naive boli jak koa hoy ekdom bahut bhola bhala hoja boli jak ami kotha tu kau ekdom yate naive be the pick we should go for it I think in this question so it the season of the joy it is baru easy factual question till March September it has been raining for a week the tense use is present perfect continuous asane present perfect continuous easy one the tiger walks quietly to nohoy the poet described tiger as being content and happy no both are false to be the answer very good what message bhal question aru eta what message does the poem Amanda give obey their parents no hoy the children need freedom imagination and nagging less nagging exactly Oswald had an excellent presence of mind because he was a secret agent hoy he also had an ability to create instant stories we have to go with it both are true any option like that any option yes both statement 1 and 2 are true these are two boys in the room. There are two boys in the room. Each will get a prize. Exactly. During summer, he has the attacks of hay fever. Easy question. They say, I have lost. Aru eta bhal question. They say, I think I have lost a pen. You gave it to me. Correct combination is, I have lost the pen that you gave me. Yeah, correct. In which sentence? Interesting question. In which sentence the word effect used correctly? Effect is a noun. Affect is a verb. টু ইফেক্ট আহিলে ইফেক্ট অফ ভার্ব হয় পেয়ার্স অফ ওয়ার্ডছ এইবিলাক আমি ডিসকাস কৰিছো সো শি ইফেক্টেড আমি নাযাও ইয়াতে the effect man নহয় effect man হ'ব নোৱাৰে এডজেক্টিভ ফৰ্মত যাব লাগিব the medicine had a good effect yeah that has to be the best speak here he died young it was unfortunate which sentence given below বঢ়িয়া question দিছে যে synthesisৰ question কিটা কৈ দিছে যে তুমি ইয়াতে using an adverb বাকি কিটাও হয় কিন্তু adverb ক'ত আছে adverb জানিবৰ কাৰণে আমি অলপ ly টাইপৰ কথাবিলাক ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো নহয় slowly like this the bus is slowly moving like that sort of thing so unfortunately he died young yate ami adverb dekha paisu nohoy janu he speaks good English which word given to sit and dropping slouching easy ase which word the mean that secretly context lurking look there ekhon bus goise so it should be there goes the bus he received much help Why did Nelson Mandela choose to fight against apartheid? He believed in equality and justice and felt moral obligation to act. Nice question. MCQ ভাল দিছে নলবাৰী ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী সকল বা বেলেগ বিলাকক অকনমান এটা আইডিয়া পাবা I think কেইটামান খুব নতুন প্যাটাৰ্নৰ question আমি পাইছো so that you need to be careful for your pre-final and of course the final exams coming. আৰু সেই pre-final finalতে মনত পৰিলে কথা এখাৰ যে EduAidত আমি এটা success batch 2026 we are planning to start immediately after the puja break so if you are interested you can join and avail all the offers available for the batch okay ami descriptive part to rahu descriptive ot ki koise ami jodi question eta sao why did Lencho write a letter to God prothom letter er kotha bujaise what did he request in the letter easy one what qualities of the postmaster highlighted easy one so yate bahut kind generous kotha bilak ahibo and teoko tumi believer in God bulio koba je teo Lenchor mane faith to rakhibo bicharisile what did Mandela mean by saying both oppressor ekdom common question dhori lolu ebilak what did Mandela pledge ekdom to obey and uphold the constitution what are the main characteristics of the people of Kur kind hospitable valor bravery gote khini kotha tat likhibo lagibo how is the river in Kurg a source of joy of the animals je kingfishers kind of drop their foods elephants enjoy bathing all these points bhal question etu eta konman dise 51 rather I would say why does Amanda think the life of orphan is better than hers because they have a carefree life though nobody to kind of nag and so on very juta suta eko sapata rakhibo na lage jutai nai barefoot ghuri furibo paribo like this and that so how does Amanda feel about being constantly instructed what to do she kind of escaped ki kore into the world of her imagination why is the tiger indifferent to its visitors bhal question they say ignore the visitors can tiger knows it the visitors can't do anything to free him and so on so it seems to be he is ignorant indifferent to what they are saying or passing comments on how does the tiger's environment in the zoo differ from the natural habitat ekdom tate tar nijor freedom nai nijor sikar nije koribo na lage nijor tar terrorizing image to hi dekhabo nware bhal question etu eta dia boli ami kobo paru so section C why did Max jump out of the window ekdom se explain bhabi pelai je police ahise explain the significance of this action mane hetu action e bosai dile soboke নহলে Ozable and all will be under a bit of a threat how did the arrival of the waiter at Ozable's room add to the suspense in the story because yeah etu toktokote bujaise ki police ahise aru etu mili goise ekdom se je moi koi thoi disilu police pohara di ase amar ghor tut so they will kind of monitor and all so bhal question another honor among thieves mean in the story textual who was Horace Granby what are the mistakes he made to attempt the rob easy one mor bodhore eitu likhile duta juntu likhisa tomalake mor bodhore thike jabo 2+2 ebilak pattern likha to ami khoda encourage koru full marks for chances okonman high thake you are an habitant of Podum Pokhuri village near Bogoribari Gram Panchayat write a letter to the president of Gram formal letter likhibo dise bad condition of the road so official formal letter ahise. You attended district level quiz competition. Write a letter to your friend describing about the experience, quiz or experience, formal, informal, duita choice ote ase. So translate the following. It pura paragraph or dise, I think hobo lage mur bodhore. Substance option ot ase ne na compulsory dise, anyone, okay, like that. So write a story and internal assessment. These are the papers that we have. So hope paper thik asil kintu Nalbari nohoy jano, Nalbari satro satri hokol tumaloke koi asila videos to dibo lage, to ji hokole saisa olop kiba holo eta benefit paba boli ame asha korisu. Thank you for watching and best wishes for your